Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit, Ultimate Color Combination, New Edition. Bought this for a gift, and opened it to check, and make certain everything was intact. They look pretty in the pan, but on your cheek, they look really cakey, and heavy. The box is flimsy, so if you are not paying attention a drawer can fall out, and hit the ground. This makeup set no doubt is the most sought after makeup set of all time, since it offers great variety with its vast range of colors that too at a decent price without compromising on quality. Would request them to please launch their stores in India, cause it's a huge market, and it'll surely be a huge hit here. Like the colors were fine, but everything was shimmery. Would have liked matte finished eyeshadows in the palette, but not bad. The makeup seems to be good quality, but the compact could be a little sturdier. It has so many eyeshadows you can easily do a month and half of eyeshadow looks, and never repeat a look. She likes to watch DIY YouTube makeup videos, and is excited to practice with all the different colors. The pigments are not concentrated, so getting a color to stay on as it looks takes a lot of other products. Then undertones are very light and shimmery, if that look you're going for. Love the product. Haven't tried it yet, by the look of it, it looks really good. But anyways, this is a great product, and really inexpensive as compared to other kits. Highly recommended. Very small in size, good for travel, having complete makeup items, quality is perfect. The cosmetic box right hinge was broken, and the box is unstable, as cheap product. There are so many colors to choose from, they stay on very well throughout the day. It would no be worth returning, as it would take much more time to get another one, and it was needed soon. Some of makeup was broken up when received, don't know how to contact them about it, but overall rest was good. Was brought as a gift, but she likes the makeup kits, colors are very nice. There was a few of the eyeshadows that was broke, and all over the place. Love all the colors, nice package, easy to tote around, very handy, as a gift for girl. Found the plastic, slide apart trays were very difficult to move, and once inside, lifted the mirror, and the glass fell out. It does come with only sparkly eyeshadows, which made it difficult to have a base color. In other words, you would need another palette for a base shade. When she opened the box, there was basically no padding, no bubble wrap, no nothing. It was covered in bubble wrap that might have been a few layers thick, and it was in this bubble padding thingy. The only explanation for it not being there is that it was never there in the first place. This item is really small. They make it appear like a big make set. It really is false advertisement. Is an excellent team of makeup, has beautiful colors, and the best is an excellent lasting quality. Really love the 100, recommend. She kept opening and sliding, and was quite impressed with how much makeup this little box actually holds. It's overall okay, but it's missing the color black to create a smoky eye. Also, after applying, the palette color wears off, and you are left with a dark gray color that isn't that flattering. When she opened the box, she was jumping, and she couldn't stop hugging me and thanking me. There's a lot of stuff in here, but a piece broke off, and can't get it back together. There are so many fun shades of eyeshadow. The set, and all makeup arrived intact, and unbroken. The shadows are a good quality, and you can find the perfect shade to any outfit. This is a neat little set, however there were 2 broken eyeshadows which, upon opening, got into the lip glosses. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.